Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reset all camera settings for Leica D Lux 7. And to do this, simply click on the menu button right here, then go to this wrench. Now select the reset button. And here you need to confirm that you want to reset settings and drive modes. Reset network settings, that's optional, so you can say yes or no. Reset face recognition and profile of custom settings, yes. Reset setup custom settings except face recognition and profile settings, yes or no. So let's say no. And here we have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.